Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12, Izhar from Madani Qaida. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Izhar? Izhar is the first case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is the definition of Izhar? If any halqa letters comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. We will learn with example in this lesson as well. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign or Sakin sign on it. This is Noon Sakin. What is Tanween? Two Zabar, two Zer and two Pesh are called Tanween. How many halqa letters are there? There are 6 halqa letters and they are Hamza Ha, Ain Ha, Ghain Kha. How we pronounce halqa letters? Halqa letters will be pronounced as follows. Hamza Ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain Ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ghain Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harakat, the letters of leen, the letters of kalkala, and the sakina letters. How Izhar rule will happen, we will learn with examples. Let's see first example. We spell Qaf, Ra Zabar Qar, Dad Tu Zabar Dan, Qardan, Ha Zabar Ha, Sin Zabar Sa, Hasa, Noon to Zabarnan, Hasanan, Qardan Hasanan. Here Izhar rule is happening here because there is halqa letter Ha come after Tanween. This is 2 Zabar Tanween and this is Qaf Mustaliya letter, Dot Mustaliya letter will be pronounced by stretching up to 1 alif or 2 harakat, and this is 2 Zabar Tanween, 2 Zabar Tanween. Here Izhar rule is happening here. How we recite it? Qardan Hasanan, Qardan Hasanan. The next example of Izhar is Mim Peshmu, Lam Khada Zabar La, Mula, Qaf to Zirqin, Mulaqin, Ha Zir Hi, Sin Alif Zabar Sa, Hisa, Ba Zir Bi, Hisabi, Ya Ha Zabar Ya, Hisabiya. Here Izhar rule is happening because there is halqa letter Ha comes after Tanween. This is 2 Zer Tanween, and there is Zabar before Alif. This is Alif Madda. Madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. How we perform izhar in this example: mulaqin hisabiya, mulaqin hisabiya. These are the examples of izhar. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more examples of izhar. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.